Hey everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious salsa that's super easy, super tasty. I love salsa. I mean, you probably love salsa too, that's why you're watching this video. But the thing that's great about it, or that can be annoying about it, is when you have to chop all those ingredients, right? But in this one, you don't. You just throw everything in the blender, and boom, you have tasty salsa. But let me show you how to make it. To make this salsa, we're gonna start off with some tomatoes. Once again, thank you, Brian, for giving me these. Just want to loosely chop them up and add them to your blender. Go ahead and add in some lime juice. Add in some garlic, some sliced peppers. Also, those are from Brian. Thank you, Brian. So before I blend this, I just want to give you a tip on making your salsa spicy. When you're using chili peppers, the heat doesn't come from the seeds. There's a little bit of heat there, but most of the heat is in that white pith that's holding onto the seed inside the chili pepper. So if you want to have some of the flavor, but not so much of the heat, remove the seeds and that white pith. If you like it hot like I do, just throw the whole damn thing in, which is what I'm gonna do. Add in some salt, some ground cumin, some chopped red onion, and some chopped cilantro. Oh, and once again, thank you, Brian, for all of the delicious ingredients that I got to use in this blender salsa. Super happy, it's super tasty. I'm gonna go eat it all. And mix. Once it's all done, you have great, fresh salsa. That's all there is to it. Once again, huge shout out to my friend Brian who gave me the tomatoes and the chilies and all the delicious things that I were able to use in this blender salsa. Super, super tasty. I hope you like it. Let me know if you try it. Hey, you know what? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if it's your first time watching, subscribe. I release a new video every week. Also, if there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.